Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make another easy recipe, stir-fried chicken and mushrooms. I'm going to use baby bella mushrooms. Let me show you the simple ingredients. I have one chicken breast I already cut into thin slices. If you don't know how to cut chicken into slices, you can check out my other chicken recipes. And we just need to season it with a little bit of salt, white pepper powder. This is must-have in my kitchen. It's really good to season meats and mix. And a little bit potato starch or cornstarch. Remember, this is called velveting. That's how we tenderize meats. Probably add a little bit of water. That's better. Then we just sealed it, sealed the moist and seasoning with some oil. That's how we make chicken tender. So let's set this aside. Two green onions, as usual. We separate white part from green. What do I say? White part always for flavor, right? And green part for garnish. That's garlic. Slice it. Now let's handle mushrooms. Pack of baby bella mushrooms. You can also use button mushrooms. I actually have a recipe for that, chicken and button mushrooms. Do you wash your mushrooms? I normally don't, because you don't want to introduce more moisture into mushrooms. They won't be so flavorful. So I just use wet paper towel, or you can use kitchen towel. Just wipe them clean. Like that. Now we just slice them thinly. Now we are ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to medium heat. First, we're going to pan fry the mushrooms. No oil, no salt, nothing. We're just going to draw the water or moisture from the mushrooms. It's going to take a few minutes. Now you can see the moisture coming out. Let's give another 2 minutes till all evaporates. Now you can see our mushroom has been cooked. Just add a little bit of salt to season. And set aside. Now we're heating up the pan to high. It's hot. Add some oil. Take a few minutes till the chicken almost cooked through. After a few minutes, we add our garlic, 1 part green onion, add our mushroom, taste it. Actually need a little bit more salt. And green onions to finish off. And our chicken mushrooms are ready. Ready to try?
I'm ready to try. It smells so delicious.
Good, right? Enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
So flavorful. Love the baby bella mushrooms.
Wow, I love it.
Of course, you can use other mushrooms, like button mushrooms or shiitake mushrooms. The flavors are different, but will be good too.
It's delicious.
And again, everybody can find the ingredients, right? Raise your hands if you can't. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.